Winter doesn't have to mean a lifeless garden. Imagine your backyard bursting with color, movement, and sound, even on the chilliest days. Hi everyone, welcome back to Balcony Garden Web. Today, we're talking about the best shrubs that attract birds all winter long. Not only will these plants bring life to your garden during colder months, but they also provide vital food, warmth, and shelter for our feathered friends. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into this winter wonderland of bird-friendly shrubs. Red twig dogwood. Starting strong, the red twig dogwood is a garden favorite. With its fiery red stems in winter, it's a visual delight. Plus, its berries are a songbird snack of choice, a win-win for gardeners and nature lovers. Eastern red cedar. Known as the tree for birds, this evergreen beauty provides bluish-black berries that birds love. It's also a cozy nesting spot for sparrows, robins, and more. American cranberry viburnum. Looking for a multitasking shrub? This one offers white spring flowers, fall berries, and winter shelter for birds. Plus, it helps prevent soil erosion, functional and fabulous. Chokeberry. As winter progresses, their berries ferment, turning into a sweet feast for migratory birds. The spring blossoms are also a magnet for pollinators, making this shrub a year-round garden favorite. Wahoo. With striking red fruits and autumn foliage, the wahoo shrub feeds birds like bluebirds and catbirds all winter long. It's a vibrant addition to any garden. American beautyberry. Clusters of purple berries make this shrub a hit with over 40 bird species, including robins and finches, a must-have for any bird-friendly garden. Winterberry. Bringing a pop of red to your garden in the fall and winter, these berries are loved by wood thrushes and bluebirds, making them a staple for any winter landscape. Crabapple. A classic choice, their fruits feed birds like cardinals and waxwings, while spring blossoms attract insects for birds to snack on. Staghorn sumac. This fast-growing shrub provides fuzzy red berries that persist through winter, feeding robins and vireos. But keep an eye on its spread. It loves to take over. Serviceberry. Attracting over 35 bird species, serviceberry shrubs are resilient and offer edible berries for both birds and humans. Delicious and drought-tolerant. Bunchberry. This low-growing wildflower adds charm to your garden. Its fall berries feed birds like white-throated sparrows and veeries. Roses. Surprised? Rose hips are a winter favorite for birds like thrushes and finches. Plus, their classic beauty never goes out of style. Firethorn. With bright red-orange berries and thorny branches, firethorn provides food and shelter for wildlife. It's also perfect for privacy hedges. Cranberry cottoneaster. This low-lying shrub is a favorite for songbirds, thanks to its shiny leaves and long-lasting red berries. American elderberry. Elderberries provide dense shelter and creamy flowers, in addition to berries loved by goldfinches and orioles. A triple treat. Nannyberry. This shrub is easy to shape, and its blue-black berries stay on through winter, making it a reliable food source for birds. Arrowhead viburnum. Another viburnum that delivers. It offers creamy summer flowers and blue-black berries that birds love come fall. Highbush blueberry. Not just for us, birds like cardinals and mockingbirds adore these sweet treats, making them perfect for acidic soil gardens. Pagoda dogwood. With its unique branching and dark fruits, this tree is a favorite for downy woodpeckers and thrashers, perfect for shady spots. Hawthorn. Lastly, hawthorns are a bird paradise with their glossy red berries. Though slow-growing, they're well worth the wait for their wildlife appeal. That's a wrap on the best shrubs to attract birds all winter long. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these shrubs will bring life, color, and joy to your backyard while supporting local wildlife. Let me know in the comments which shrubs you're excited to plant, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.